Dino Sociology. Was T-Rex a lone wolf or a social leader? Well, misdirect for a title there. This is really an article about how researchers used to think T-Rex were lone wolves. They didn't actually think they were wolves. They thought they were dinosaurs who hunted alone. And actually, the lone wolf analogy it sucks because wolves don't tend to be lone. They tend to hunt in packs and stay in families and hang out together. Lone wolves, well, you should be afraid of a lone wolf because that might be some crazy antisocial wolf that got cast out of the pack. Anyway, that's just a side item. This is about dinosaurs. There's a new site, a new dinosaur site in Utah called the Rainbows and Unicorns site because it was named by 13-year-old girl scientists. They found a whole bunch of bones together of T-Rexes, a whole family of T-Rexes. They unearthed 4, possibly 5 individuals of the T-Rex, including a juvenile and a fully developed adult. And who knows what the other 2 or 3 were. But it seems to be that they were hanging out together. Why were they all dead in the same place? Good question. They think it was probably, here's the theory from this article. It says, where is this? Where is it where they said what happened to them? I think they said they drowned. Well, somewhere in this story, it said these 4 or 5 giant T-Rex dinosaurs many years ago, 76 million years ago, died together. Oh, here it is. Researchers found the dinosaurs perished in a single flood event, were buried in mud, unearthed, and then reburied in a sandbar. I don't know what that unearthed and reburied stuff is all about. I guess some ancient dinosaur scientists unearthed them and then reburied them in a sandbar. I don't know. That's probably not what that means. That means that they died in a flood. There was a big flood so deep that these tall dinosaurs, which if Jurassic Park is to be believed, and it is not, were probably about 15, 20 feet tall when fully grown. And so what they're saying basically is, hey, check it out. T-Rexes had friends. They weren't just running around like crazy by themselves. This is actually kind of terrifying. That means, did T-Rexes hunt in packs? Well, if they had families and they hung out together, they probably did hunt in packs. The idea that tyrannosaurs were social with complex hunting strategies was first formulated by Curie over 20 years ago. Not Madame Curie, but Philip Curie, renowned tyrannosaur expert. It says here, world-renowned. I don't know who that is, but here's some pictures of the bones and very cool new info about the pack behavior of giant ferocious dinosaurs. Now, if you, like me, still have nightmares about being chased by the T-Rex from Jurassic Park, here's some good news. New study finds T-Rex walked at a slow pace of 3 miles per hour. So they calculated the speed based on some 3D modeling, And I don't know how they tell this, but let's see. Paleontologists had suggested that the T-Rex clocked a top speed of 30 miles per hour and a walking speed of 4.5 to 6.7 miles per hour. Now, researchers from the Netherlands have used computer reconstruction to estimate that the walking speed was much slower, about 3 miles per hour. It doesn't say, does it say what the running speed? It doesn't say what the running speed is, but rest assured that if, oh, here's a nice animation. If you're watching this on YouTube, I have an animation of a T-Rex walking, and it's very slow, as expected, as advertised. Slow animation of a T-Rex. Anyway, so I looked this up. The average human running speed is 28. Average horse running speed 55, dog 30, cat 30. Basically what I'm saying is, if a T-Rex comes after you, run, motherfucker.